In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a shirt's color using Higgsfield InPaint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a photo and quickly swap the shirt color to something new, clean, and realistic. First, open your browser and go to the Higgsfield website. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the image section. When you see the available tools, click on InPaint. This is the feature that lets you paint over parts of an image and tell the system exactly what to change there. Now upload the image of your model, the person wearing the shirt you want to recolor. Choose a clear, well-lit photo where the shirt is easy to see. After you select the file, wait for the image to upload. You'll know it's ready when the photo appears on your screen and the tools become active. Next, select the brush tool. With the brush active, paint directly over the shirt area you want to change. Take your time and aim to cover only the shirt, staying inside the edges and avoiding skin, hair, and background. If you accidentally brush outside the shirt, just undo or carefully repaint to refine your coverage. The more accurate your brushing, the more natural the result will look. With the shirt masked, it's time to tell Higgsfield what you want. In the prompt box, type a clear instruction, such as, change the color of the shirt to blue. If you have a specific look in mind, you can mention the shade, like navy blue or pastel blue, or describe the finish, such as matte or vibrant. Keeping the prompt simple and focused on the shirt helps the system interpret your request precisely. Once your prompt looks good and the shirt area is properly brushed, click Generate. The system will process your instructions and apply the change to the masked area. Give it a moment to work. When the result appears, you should see the shirt in the new color, while the rest of the image remains untouched. If the color isn't exactly what you imagined, you can adjust your brush coverage or refine your wording in the prompt and click Generate again to try a slightly different variation. Small tweaks often make a big difference. And that's it. You went to Higgsfield, hovered to the image tools, selected InPaint, uploaded your photo, brushed over the shirt, added a clear color change prompt, and clicked Generate. You're done.